What's up everyone? We have a very special announcement to make, and that is I have got a new book, but not just any book. It's, drumroll, oops, a book from ClickFunnels. And if you've heard of Russell Brunson, he is the CEO of ClickFunnels. You probably, if you're in the make money online niche or health niche, you've probably seen kind of like web pages that look a bit kind of like come to life a bit, kind of like a funnel. So you buy, upsell, downsell, email opt-in, stuff like that. So this book here is called Traffic Secrets, and as the name guessed, it's a way to get traffic to those offers, because you could have the best landing page in the world, but if no one knows that you exist, well, yeah, it doesn't mean much. So I got myself a copy of the new Traffic Secrets book. A funny story is that when I bought the book, I actually emailed customer service because I was thinking, why is it not here yet? And me being blind as a bat, I realised that it said May coming in, May something at the very top of the page. So, yeah, bit embarrassing. So, we're going to get started opening the book. Here's the cool little box it came in. Got the little QR code for anyone who wants to scan. But, yep. But you didn't come here for just the box, so got my trusty little knife and let's open it. Get the sides. Alright. Use my fingers. There we go. Got that open. And that. And here we are. So, we'll start with the first one. These are like little tickets or cards, whatever you want to call them. You got this one here, show you. And you got it at the back here too. Russell Brunson, put that there. And you've got this one too. And you've got this. Now, what's interesting about this one is if you did get the book, you would know the upsell that came in this. So I believe when you just about buy it, Russell Brunson will have a video saying about getting the Trilogy. And this book here, I believe by Tony Robbins, you actually can't get it on its separate. You can't get it on its own, Russell Brunson said. So if you get the full set, you get that book as an added extra as well. I didn't get the box set, but it's out there. And you've got this. Now, this is my favourite one. It's going to be at the back in a moment, and it's called Funnel Scripts. Now, you're going to be amazed what Funnel Scripts is. Funnel Scripts is a software by ClickFunnels that actually writes the copy for you. Yeah, that's right. So, all your landing pages, all your emails, everything, you just put a little bit of information about yourself and what you want, and the software will spit out any, like, you know, some compelling words and compelling subject lines and body. It's pretty cool. It's literally, it kind of feels like the most easiest push button software that there is. And I think copywriters need to, you guys gotta watch out, because, you know, if people keep on catching on to this, then it's gonna be a little bit difficult. And we also got a little quick start guide. I'll show you a little bit inside. So yeah, got little box sets and everything. Put that there. And we're about to open what you really came here for, and that is the book itself. So, you know what, I'm not going to show it. Nah, I'm just joking, I'm going to show it. Start with the back. As you can see, that's what the back looks like. Got the books here, got good old Russell, and some bit about the book. I'll read you a tiny bit of it. Traffic Secrets is the fuel. The biggest problem that most entrepreneurs have isn't creating an amazing product or service, it's getting their future customers to discover that they even exist, which is pretty true. Every year, tens of thousands of businesses start and fail because the entrepreneurs don't understand this one essential skill, the art and science of getting traffic or people to find you. And that is the tragedy. That is pretty true. It's kind of sad that if you have a great offer and nobody really knows who you are, you've probably seen this on Indiegogo or Kickstarter. You kind of look at a product and you're like, whoa, how does nobody know this? This would blow up everything. But unfortunately, if you can't get traffic and nobody knows it, it's just going to be left because there's loads of products out there, but you know, people need to kind of move your eyeballs towards it. So that's the back of it, Traffic Secrets. And here is the front cover. Pretty cool, right? But you've got D Graziosi at the top. Traffic Secrets. So let's open up a little bit and see what it looks inside. Got the little Traffic Secret logo by Russell Brunson. Oh, and here's a, if you can see that, little bit of a quote there. The book is dedicated to the entrepreneurs who I have called to serve, my funnel hackers. You've made it possible for me to do a work that interests me and that I feel is meaningful and worthwhile. This funnel book in the Secrets Trilogy was created to help you find more of the people who are waiting to hear your message. If this book helps you reach even just one more person and change their life with your God-given gifts, then this work will have been a success. You can see all the traffic secrets there are. Yep, there are a lot of them. Then you got the conclusion and stuff at the end. So yeah, you can't say that there isn't a load of ways to get traffic to your website. And then you got like the starting of the book. I'll try and find a funny little image. Russell Brunson's Picasso drawings, as we all know. Little stick man and stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty engaging with all the books and the pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the Traffic Secrets book. If you guys want to get a copy, then you can do. You could type in on ClickFunnels or just on Google Traffic Secrets and you'll go straight to the landing page. However, I know some of you guys don't want traffic. You guys kind of want to get started on how to make money online, since, you know, traffic is more when you kind of like the second stage. You have to have an offer first. So if you guys do want a proven way to make money online, that's, I wouldn't say easy, but more proven and more simple steps instead of trying to do everything on your own, then the link will be down below in the description, and you click it, you can get full access to a book that's only $1 that can help you get started. I know it can be difficult for some of you to kind of think of everything on your own. I know how it is. So if you do want some simple methods that do work and you don't have to start everything on your own, make sure to click the link in the description now and don't procrastinate on it. Thank you very much, and I think I've got some reading to do.